Hey everyone, I'm going to go over unit conversions one more time just to make sure that we're getting some of the basics of that. So let's take a look at unit conversions. So we're only doing metric to metric unit conversions. And when we do metric to metric unit conversions, there's a few things we need to know how to do. And the number one thing is being able to read this table. So remember that this table is a table of all of our metric prefixes, what that metric symbol is, and then we have the unit conversion, right? So when I read this table, if I'm gonna just look at the three main ones, right? Kilo, centi, and milli. So we're gonna look at those three main ones. When I look at that, when I have 1 kilo, so 1 kilo of anything, that's going to be equal to, and I look over here, and that's 1,000 of those anythings, like whatever those things happen to be. If I have 1 centimeter, or 1 centi anything, 1 centi anything, I have, look over here, 0.01, 0.01 of those things, whatever those things happen to be. For milli, it's the same sort of thing. I have 1 milli anything is equal to 0.001 of those things. And I got that right here. So just as a reminder, that anything, some of the common things that anything can be here is grams, meters, seconds. We might have amps, joules, newtons. Like it can be any unit that we use in physics. So the three main ones that we're going to be focusing on right now are mostly grams, meters, and seconds. But there's hundreds of other units that we might use. So grams, meters, and seconds, those would be my base units. So if I put that in here, this would say 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. 1 centimeter is equal to 1,000 meters, or 0.01 meters. So again, 1 centi anything. So this could be 1 centigram is equal to 0.01 grams. 1 centisecond is equal to 0.01 seconds. I can fill this blank spot with any of these other symbols which represent my unit. So it's always my prefix and then my unit. And then this is just the unit. As a reminder, the prefix for kilo, and it says it on my table, the prefix for the kilo is a K. So this would just be a K. This one for centi on my table is just a C. And milli is just an M, like so. So I could have 1 kilogram, and that would be equal to 1,000 grams. I could have 1 centigram, and that would be equal to 0.01 grams. I can have 1 milligram, and that would be 0.01 grams. Just getting it off my table. So these are my conversion factors for grams. Likewise, if I did it with meters, I could have 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meters. 1 millimeter is equal to 0.001 meters. And I'll do one more set for you over here, and I'll do it with the seconds. So 1 kilosecond is equal to 1,000 seconds. 1 centisecond is equal to 0.01 seconds. 1 millisecond is equal to 0.001 seconds. And that could be, again, for any unit. So it's always my prefix and then my unit, right? Prefix unit, prefix unit, prefix unit. Okay, I hope that's helpful.